What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, raising the financial bar with Mar. So quick update, Square's Cash App opened up availability for teens 13 to 17 to use their Cash App services now, with parental oversight, of course. So essentially, in order for these teens to begin to send peer-to-peer payments and take delivery of these Cash App cards, they will have to receive authorization from a parent or a guardian. So both teens and parents can go on Cash App cash support section and receive instructions on how to request an authorized account and accept an account authorization request. So while teens will be able to send and receive payments, they will not have access to do Bitcoin or stock investing at this current time. They will also not be able to use the features borrow, check deposit, paper money deposit, and cross-border payments. Granted, due to them being teenagers, there are other things that they will not be allowed to purchase as a result of their age, and I'll add the full article from TechCrunch to give you more details of everything that this encompasses. All in all, this would be a great benefit for parents that wanted to allow their children to use Cash App, while they'll also be able to monitor and restrict certain spending, along with Cash App, who's been making great strides in the industry, continuing to allow more features. Opening their app up to more users should exponentially increase their earnings. This also helps them in the long run with competitors like GoHenry and Greenlight by allowing users to use things like designing their own card for glow-in-the-dark purposes, the accessibility, and just the simplicity overall of their interface. Teens will enjoy using this, and parents will be happy that they're able to monitor the spending. I'll provide all the necessary links if you're interested in signing up for any of the services. As always, I appreciate the support. If you enjoy this content, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. And once again, this is RFBM, raising the financial bar with Mar. Take care. Peace, love, blessings. Be safe out here.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.